Hi, my name is Fien, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work with your theme. The theme is set up for the whole publication. Once you click on Theme, the first option will be the navigation type. You can choose from the top bar or several beta options. You can also include pages in the navigation bar. When you toggle this on or off, you can choose what pages you want to include in the navigation bar. You can select them all or select only a few of them. Next, you can set the active color for the page you're on. The navigation bar, page buttons and page scroll button can also be changed of color. The logos are set for the whole project. Here you can set a logo for the navigation bar and a logo for the browser tab. Be aware that the logo will change for the whole project when you change it here. Set the colors that you use the most as swatches, so you can easily access them. Custom fonts can be uploaded here. And here you can style header 1, 2, 3, 4, the paragraph and the quote element. So every text element you will insert in your page will have this style. Also, the button can be styled here. And next to it are the text links. You can even get rid of the underline for the text link. That's how you set up theme. You can have a different theme for every viewport separately. When you've set it all up, you can now start creating pages. You'll notice that this goes a lot faster than when you're not using theme. Thank you for watching.